infrastructure might continue functioning for a while through automated processes until they break down completely. Evolutionary changes. With humans gone, other species might experience evolutionary changes at an accelerated pace due to reduced competition for resources and altered environmental conditions. It is important to note that these scenarios are speculative, as predicting the exact outcome is impossible since it depends on various factors such as climate patterns, geographical location, and the specific conditions of each ecosystem.